Today we're going to learn how to use eSign to capture payments as part of the document completion process. To get started, enable the payment capture feature in your account settings. Once enabled, you will be forwarded to Stripe, where you can log in or create an account if you don't already have one. Once complete, you can now start the document process. Click Get Started in your dashboard overview. Upload your required document from one of the drop-downs shown. Here you can enter the recipient's details such as name and email address. You can also enter the envelope details such as title, subject and description. This will be shown to the recipient when they receive the email. Here you will be shown the document where you can drag and drop the necessary labels for your signer to complete. Click Request Payment and drag into your preferred position on the document. On the right-hand side, enter the amount requested for payment, such as 10 for £10. You can also select if this is required or not required. If it is required, the signer will not be able to complete and send back the document without making the payment. Once complete, click Confirm and Send. Now we will show you what the process looks like for the recipient. When the document is opened, the recipient can enter the required fields and submit payment by entering their preferred card details.